Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your weekend love bite. Cancer, these are for the weekend of the 18th September, and these are general collective readings, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So don't try and make it fit, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. Someone is in deep regret here about something, missing someone from the past. Let's leave this card here and move on. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and we welcome you in. This is going to be a mini read, Cancer, just to check how you're feeling on the weekend and what you can expect. You want clarity, that's for sure. Let's put this here. And Cancer, before I start your reading, opening the cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you as well. So my angels, what do you have for Cancer now for this weekend? A blessing or an advice card for my Cancer? A blessing or an advice card for Cancer spirit? Pause. Okay, some kind of pause going on, Cancer, and no wonder here you are sitting in a bit of sadness here, sitting in a bit of regret, missing somebody from your past. Let's see what's coming up. Yeah, it's time to take a little step back, Cancer. Heal yourself, look after yourself. There is something going on which we'll figure out right now. Some kind of delay is going on, Cancer, something you were waiting for. You were wanting to be victorious in something. Little delay is going on here. Cards are all action oriented though. Is there somebody in your life, Cancer, who is a bit controlling? It's a little controlling, a bit egoistic, a bit wants to be in charge all the time, and that's not making you feel very great. There is some communication which has happened which has not made you feel very good. It's kind of making you feel a bit destabilized. Let's see, let's take some clarifiers. Spirit, what's this Nine of Pentacles in reverse for Cancer? Yeah, you were waiting, either you were waiting for something or some news which is on delay. You're waiting for you're waiting for something to happen, but there's a bit of a pause, bit of a delay going on. Something that you thought would make you happy, but right now I think the Wheel of Fortune is also reversed at the moment. Things are a bit stuck. You're not getting the messages or the conversation that you want. Something is, Cancer, something is not very stable around you. And that is, you're in a waiting mode. You're basically in a waiting mode right now. Waiting in delay, regretting, in a pause. So who's this Six of Wands, Spirit? Who's the Six of Wands and the Emperor? There is somebody, like I said, around you, Cancer, who's a very controlling person. There is no equal give and take in this dynamic. As much as you want it, it could be a Sagittarius, because there is Temperance in reverse, and that is a card of something not being in balance. There is lack of reciprocity here. This person could be a bit egoistic, a bit prideful. It's all about me here, and likes to take charge and maybe give a lot of orders as well. Yeah, this is basically an immature energy around you, Cancer, but maybe pretends to be stronger or bigger than they are. So what's this Eight of Wands, Spirit? What's this Eight of Wands? Some communication which happened, Cancer, by this person, but they, even though they like to be very active and take charge and control situations, the conversation I think that you've had with this person, they kind of were mean to you. They were rude to you. They emotionally manipulated. They try and emotionally manipulate you. They try and make you feel smaller than. It's like they have to always win at any cost. They have to be the winner, and they don't care who they hurt, in that conversation. So a card for the King of Swords, King of Wands, Spirit. King of Wands. This could be a fire sign around you, Cancer. Yeah, whatever was hidden in the dark has finally come to light about this person, Cancer. You've gotten to know a lot of truths about this person, why this person behaves like this. It's like, and now that you know it all about, maybe they pretend to be bigger than they are. And finally, now that you've realized the truth, it's destabilized you a bit. It's not making you feel very happy. You've pulled back your love as well now. Okay, you're pulling back your love. You're not feeling as loving as maybe at one time you did, and there is a lot of sadness and depression over what you've heard or understood because of this person's communication skills. The way they come across and talk to you is very rude, mean. But now you're enlightened, Cancer. Don't worry. You're enlightened. So this is just going to be a pause in your life. Okay. Till you didn't know any better, I think you were stuck for a very long time. But now that you know better, you're enlightened to this place, and now you've realized, yes, this is not the kind of partnership I want. Okay. This is not the kind of partnership I'm looking for. It doesn't make me happy, and I don't think I really want to move forward with this. So what can we expect this weekend, Spirit? The Moon, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Those are nice cards. Spirit, the Moon, some secrets are out definitely, and I think you're leaving somebody out in the cold, and you're going towards somebody new. Yeah, you're trying to keep your strength up. While these secrets have now been revealed to you. Yes, it's been very tiring, it's been very difficult, or maybe this weekend they're going to be exposed to you. You feel left out in the cold, but now I think you're making a conscious decision, Cancer, to move towards somebody, or you're moving towards somebody for a fresh new beginning. You want to leave the past where it belongs. Ace of... I think you're looking for a reunion with somebody else, or maybe you're just going for your happiness and deciding, hey, I'm not going to deal with this anymore, and I want to have a fresh new beginning somewhere else. So what's this Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant. This weekend, I think, Cancer, you're taking stock of everything that's happened, okay, with this past person. You're in deep reflection, you're thinking of all that, investment that was put or not put, and who put what, and whatever you're coming to the realization, whatever you're discovering, whatever secrets are now being revealed to you, maybe through your own intuition, this is really kind of making you very upset, making you very, very angry, okay? So what's this Hierophant then, Spirit, for the weekend? What's the Hierophant? Yeah, now you've realized, Cancer, that there is a commitment here, or maybe a long-term potential partnership that you probably had with this person. Maybe you had dreams of having a happily ever after with this person. Maybe you wanted to be married to this person. Maybe this person is somebody in your family. But now you've realized it's time to put an end to this. Okay? Why? Because this is becoming a bit overburdening for you. So this weekend, I think, Cancer, you are going to be very clear in your thoughts, okay? You're going to see everything crystal clear. It's time to bring back justice into this relationship. What is right and what is wrong, and you're becoming very clear about it. And you're, I think, thinking of walking away from this past person and going towards somebody new, for stability, for happiness, for long-term future, for commitment now. Okay, whatever happened in the past, I think this is coming to an end of a cycle. Okay, no more love left here, no more balance left here. And Cancer, this is your card, right? The Queen of Cups, but see, she's in reversed as well, right? So now I think you've pulled back your love. You're no longer fighting for this connection, and this weekend you're making up your mind now to move forward to a fresh new beginning for yourself with happiness and joy. So don't be stressed up about it, Cancer. Don't be stressed out. Even if at one point you felt this was your soulmate, Please know soulmates come to your reason for a reason, season, or a lifetime. Take the lesson, and that's all you need. Okay? That's all I have for you, Cancer. Take care of yourself. Love and light. Namaste. I'll see you soon next week.